Right, we've got a slightly different box break to do today. We're going to be opening up the Star Wars Journey to the Force Awakens hobby box. And I'll move my friend out the way, because I'm not doing the break wearing it. Okay, so Star Wars Journey to the Force Awakens. Not had any of these before, as I've only ever really broken the NFL stuff, so not sure what we'll find in here. We've got 6 of you in on it. We've got Ross Franklin, Andrew Hamilton, Stephen Brankin, Ben Mixer, Chris Bolton and Gary Jordan. I'm going to go in the sequence that is on the event break, because some of you did choose numbers, some of you weren't bothered, so we'll go in that sequence, which is Ross, Andrew, Stephen, Ben, Chris and Gary. You'll get 4 packs each, and there are 2 hits apparently in here, so you'll get a maximum of 1. If 2 come out in your packs, you'll choose 1 to give up, and I'll random that off for someone else. So 2 people will get a hit, and the others unfortunately won't, unless we get anything extra. So we'll get into it. Unusual, doing something different. Okay, so here we go. So I'm not going to mess about with the packs. I'm just bending the sides of the box over so they're easier to get out. That'll be pack 1. So there they all are. I'm just going to pull one off the top, and that is how we'll do it. So here's the first one that fell out. So this is going to Ross. First pack for you, Ross. And right, so it'll be tricky to work out what's what in these. Anyway, I'll go with what appears to be base. So we've got Duel in the Senate, Battle of Geonosis, No Confidence in Valorum, and Luke Awaiting Rescue. We then have like a black bordered of Supreme Powers. Then we have a green border, Force Awakens, of Rey Takes Off. We've got, right, a couple of like inserts now. We've got a sticker card here. And this is a Kylo Ren sticker card. And then there's a Force Awakens foil card of Finn. It says collect all 9. And that is your first pack. So that is Ross. I'm sure as we go on we'll kind of work out. I mean, I'm not sure if all the colour ones are, just subset colours, or whether those are parallels. Try and work that out. Right, so that's Ross. Next pack, I'm going to go, this is Andrew. All sorts of crazy parallels. Right, this is Andrew now. Okay, so again, what looks as base. Got Luke's First Lesson of Star Wars. We've got Han Says Goodbye, Empire. Original film again, End of Alderaan. Fateful Decision. Then there's a black border, The Emperor's Arrival. And we have, okay, we've got a green from The Force Awakens, Stormtroopers en route. Like a puzzle card on the back as well, you can complete the puzzle. Then we have got Heroes of the Resistance insert. And this is the Millennium Falcon. It says on the back, collect all 9. And last one, you have a foil insert, and this is of Captain Phasma from The Force Awakens. So that is Andrew's. Next up, next pack, Stephen. And we start off with Message from the Emperor, base set, Jedi Unveiled, The Wampa Dines, Yoda's Great Power, and Black Bordered Luke's New Friend. And then we flip 4 cards here. You've got an orange bordered Score of John Williams, and you've got a sort of lime green border, Anakin Revealed, and we have Stephen has got, I don't know if you do the digital card trader, but you have a free pack. I'll cover the code up so nobody pips you to it. There's a code on there, it says you have a free pack, so you go online, punch the code in, and you're clearly going to get some online content there. So there you go. You've won a free pack of digital trading cards. So I don't know if you use that, Stephen, but you got one of those. And your last card is a Power of the First Order card. Okay, so that is Stephen's first. Next pack is going to Ben. And you have the Rise of Darth Vader, the Dreaded Darth Vader, Master versus Master, and you have a silver border, Yoda's Great Power. There is a lime green border, the End of Alderaan. And the last remaining cards for you, you have one of the 18 stickers, you have a Princess Leia. You also have a concept art card, Rise of Darth Vader. And we have a foil numbered parallel. This is A Time for Celebration. It's numbered 100 out of 150. So there's like a holofoil parallel there. Numbered out of 150. Star Wars Movie Facts 10 of 10. So that's Ben's first numbered card. Chris, pack for you. There we go. And we start off with Luke's very unflattering recovery with his nappy on from Empire. Then we have the freezing process, Lessons from Ben, Victory at Endor. Then there is a black border Skirmish at the Sarlacc. And your last 3 cards, you have an orange border of Vietnam Springs to Life, behind the scenes shot, interesting, and green border Hand Says Goodbye. And last one, you have Power of the First Order insert, Kylo Ren's shuttle. So that is Chris's first. And Gary at the end, pack for Gary. And first card, Yoda's Farewell. Next one, The Final Duel. Next up, Han Solo's Return. The Rebellion's Last Hope. And a black border from The Force Awakens, Chewie, We're Home. And then your last 3 have a green border, Ray pilots her speeder. And you have a Heroes of the Resistance insert, which again is Ray. And we have another foil, Force Awakens foil, and this one's Kylo Ren. So that is Gary's. So that's one round of packs. Back we go again. Ross at the top of the pile. One for you, Ross. And we start with A Wonderful Secret. Looking to the Future. X-Wings in Flight. And then we have a green border. BB-8 Rose into Action. And we have a silver border. Old Ben's Revelation. And we also have a concept art. The Imperial Attack. We have a sticker. And it is a Snowtrooper. And the last card, we've got another numbered one, another holofoil number to 150. Back on Tatooine. This one numbered 123 out of 150. So that is the second pack for Ross. So next one for Andrew. Planning the Attack. Time for Celebration. Garbage Compactor. Old Ben's Revelation. Then we've got a purple border. The Wampa Dimes. And then we have, what should we do first? We've got lime green bordered. Message from the Emperor. And then you have a sticker. It's a BB-8. And the last one is a cloth sticker card. So that is a cloth sticker card. There's 9 of those as well, apparently. So that's another pack for Andrew. So next up is Stephen. And we start off with Captain Phasma, Star Destroyer, Finn's Dilemma, Jumped by Jawas, and we have a black border, Ray Vader's Inspection. And remaining cards, we have a green border, Fateful Decision. We have a sticker, Captain Phasma, and we have another foil, and it's a Ray foil. Okay. So that is Stevens. Ben, next up, one for Ben. And we start off with Ray Takes Off. Ray pilots her speeder. Droids on the Run. Rematch with Dooku. We have a pink border. X-Wings in Flight. And the remaining cards, we have an orange border. Score of John Williams. We have a green border. Finn on the Run. And we have another Power of the First Order. Kylo Ren Shuffle. That is Ben's. Right, Chris is next up. Let's pack out. And TIE Fighters Attack. Resilient Survivor. First Order. Power of the Pod Race. Silver border. Time for Celebration. A green border. Droids on the Run. And finish off with a sticker. Kylo Ren. And a concept art, Bring Forth Boba Fett. So that's Chris. And again Gary, wrapping up the second mount. Clone Wars begin. A sorrowful goodbye. Into the asteroid field. Mysterious attack. There's a pink border. Rey takes off. And there's a green border. Jedi unveiled. And then we finish off with a Heroes of the Resistance. Finn. And a foil of Poe Dameron. Those are Gary's. So that's that 2 each. Back to the start we go again. Ross Franklin, next pack out. So halfway through, 2 hits yet. Stopping Grievous. The Mystery on Camino. Luke's Frozen Expedition. There's a black border. Bounty Hunters. There is a green border. A Wonderful Secret. There is a concept art design of the X-Wing. There is a R2-D2 Heroes of the Resistance. And we have our first hit. It is You Have Discovered a Star Wars sketch card featuring art from the Star Wars saga, including Star Wars The Force Awakens. Featuring, here's the art, there's the artwork. Featuring art by Not a Clue. Doesn't put the guy's name on there to help. So have to look around for that one. Not numbered or anything. So, but it is an autograph card by the artist. So that is the first hit. And that is going out to Ross. So well done to Ross. Next up is Andrew. Next pack. And Forward to the Future. The Skywalker Twins. Assault on the Second Death Star. Assault on the Death Star. Then we have a black border. The Pursuit Gets Dangerous. We have an orange border. Anthony's Golden Counterpart. Unusual behind the scenes from there. Anthony Daniels. Wearing some rather dodgy, typical 70s gear. With his bits and pieces around him. There we go. Interesting that. There's a green border. Rematch with Dooku. There is a Power of the First Order Captain Phasma insert. And then, Andrew, you have also won a free pack of digital trading cards. So if you use the app, there's a code on the back here. If you go online, punch that in, get yourself a digital pack of trading cards. So that is Andrew. Okay, Stephen is next up. Pack for you. And Jedi versus Jedi. Back on Tatooine. Battle in the Forest. Star Wars The Force Awakens. a silver bordered garbage compactor. We have a green bordered assassination failed. Then we have a sticker of Darth Vader and a Power the First Order Stormtrooper insert. So that is Stevens. Next up then, the Sith Return, Order 66, Assassination Failed, black bordered Spirits of the Past, and a green border, a Jedi to be. We have a sticker of Rey. There is a Stormtrooper foil insert. And we have our second hit. It's a good one. You have found an authentic autograph signed by a Star Wars cast member. And the signature that Ben has won is of Peter Mayhew, aka Chewbacca. So well done, Ben. Nice autograph card there of one of the main men and creatures. So that is into Ben's pile. Right, back to Chris. So it looks like we've had our two hits. So finish these off, Chris. Han Solo, the Princess and the Plans, Master of Evil, Escaping on Foot, purple border Jedi Unveiled, green border Sith Returns. There is a sticker of Poe Dameron, and there is a holofoil of a Flame Trooper. So those are Chris's. So Gary, to wrap us up again and leave us with 6 packs, 1 each. Resistance Forces in Flight, a lightsaber from the past, Mysterious Figure, Negotiations Gone Wrong. We have a black border, Terrible Secret. We have a green, Across the Chasm. We have an orange of Anthony's golden counterpart. And we have another of the cloth sticker cards. Finn there. So that is Gary's. So that takes us back to the start. 6 packs left, 1 more each, guys, and we are done. So Ross, this is your final pack. Across the Chasm, The Great Disturbance, Stormtroopers en route, BB-8 rolls into action. We have a black border, Cloud City Showdown. We have a green border, Snow Battle. Then you have a Heroes of the Resistance, and it is the Resistance. And a foil of Poe Dameron. So that is Ross. You are sorted. Next up, Andrew, for a pack. Starts off with Bespin and Betrayal.
The Rancor Feasts. Speeder Bike Dash. Poe pilots the X-Wing. Silver Border, planning the attack. Green Border, looking at the future, or looking to the future. There's a sticker for Luke Skywalker, and a Power the First Order insert of Kylo Ren. So that is Andrew. Next up, Stephen. Final pack for you. Poe Dameron's Excitement. The Mighty Jabba. Luke Skywalker's Temptation. Battle over Coruscant. There's a salmony pink parallel, looking to the future. There's a Green Order 66. And finish off with a concept art, Luke Skywalker's Recovery, and Heroes of the Resistance insert BB-8. So that is Stephen. Ben. Pack for Ben. Lessons Through Failure. The Rebels Are Found. A Rescue Begins. Creature Cantina. A pink border, Wonderful Secret. A green border, X-Wings in Flight. An orange border, Nien Springs to Life. And another cloth sticker card. That is Ben's. Chris, penultimate pack. Star Destroyer Fallen. Millennium Falcon Attacked. Kylo Ren Dark Warrior. Arrest Gone Bad. A Wild Chase, black border. A Great Disturbance, green border. And then there is a sticker of Finn. And a holofoil of Rey. So that's Chris's. The final pack in the box is going to Gary. Finn on the Run. The Jedi to Be. Snow Battle. Prisoner Transfer. Anakin Revealed. A Silver, The Clone Wars Begin. And last two cards is a green border, Prisoner Transfer again. And the last card, Concept Art, Explosive Pod Race. So there you go, that's Gary's. So thanks a lot, guys. Some interesting stuff there. I quite like the behind the scenes shots, the stuff you don't normally see. Makes me want to go and read my behind the scenes books now that I haven't read yet. Okay, enjoyed that. Thanks, guys. I'll get all those sorted and look forward to the next one.